Hey y'all, it's Jen. I am coming to share a little quick flip through of these 4 mini journals or blank notebooks that I made. These are just filled with coffee dyed paper. They are completely blank on the inside. I made these using digital printable papers from Tailor Made Journals over on Etsy. I will link her information below in the description box if you are on my YouTube channel, and then in the comments if you are on my TikTok page. I used her antique book covers for the front images of these notebooks, and then they are wrapped with papers that were from her antique marbled and end papers. She has several different kits of each listed over on her Etsy shop. So if you like these, go and take a look at those. Now all of these are sold except for this red one. And this red one is the cover of a fairy tale book. And then here's the back. Now I did put an eyelet on the front and back of each one of these, and they are tied with just some hemp cording, and it is removable. This is some heavy duty paper tape that I covered the spines with, so you won't see the binding on the outside, but I did use a 3-hole pamphlet stitch to bind these, and I tied the strings in a knot in the center of the signature and then tied them in a bow so you could do with them as you wish. And they are literally just 20 sheets front and back of different pieces of coffee dyed paper. Some are grungier than others. Some are not. This one was really pretty. I really like this paper. I want to make a bigger version with this particular paper. I did do a little bit of inking on these. Like this image was a little bit darker in color than the end paper that I used. And so I did do a little bit of inking to darken this paper. This one has a few pieces of paper in it that are a little grungier than others. And these do fit inside of a blue jean pocket. They fit a standard blue jean pocket. Some women's jeans they won't fit into. They also fit nicely into the pocket of a men's shirt. I did have several more of these, but they are all sold. As I said, this red one is the only one that I have left right now. And this one I did put some pretty grungy papers in because I liked pairing this grungier paper with this grungier book cover image on the front. And there's a little dragonfly here, and it says "Into the Woods." I really like making these. As I said, if you don't like the ties on them, you can change them out. You can take these and decorate them up and turn them into a full-on junk journal, make them your own. Just use them to write little notes in for shopping trips. You know, they're just little notebooks. Anyway, this one is for sale over on my Facebook page. If you're interested, so it is listed over there. And I appreciate y'all stopping and watching my video. Try to have a good day, y'all.